In this video, I'm going to show you the best niche research method for merch by Amazon and KDP in 2022. How to find print on demand and KDP opportunities using this brand new tool. Thanks to this tool, you can find many design opportunities and the latest trends that can bring you more than $5,000 per month. You can even find event related opportunities, check what was working last year for a particular event or holiday, and know exactly what designs would sell before anyone else. I'm also going to show you how you can write your listings much quicker with this tool. So excited to show you this feature. Right, let's dive in. So the tool that we're going to talk about today in this video is Podly. It's a new tool that I've just started using, and I have to say I'm quite impressed. As we open the app, the first thing that we see is product search, and as you guys can see, there's lots and lots of filters that you can play around with, and it's really helpful in terms of digging deeper and finding those niche opportunities that we're looking for. So basically, these are the best sellers right now for merch by Amazon. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to do some niche research for merch by Amazon and KDP, and at the same time we're going to talk about the tool and what it has to offer. I'm going to show you all the options, so bear with me till the end. You don't want to miss this, guys. So in the product search, guys, as you can see, there's lots and lots of filtering options. The first thing you can filter with is a particular keyword. You can exclude the term. You can choose the marketplace right here. At the moment, they don't have the UK and Japan, but they said that they're going to add it soon. Product type, they've got t-shirts, all clothing, and KDP. Dates published. In my opinion, this is a very handy option to find trending niches, and I'll show you how it works later on. You can hide or show brands. This is very good because it shows you the designs that were removed by Amazon so that you don't do the same. And this is your BSR filter, average BSR in the last 30 days. Very handy feature to see trending niches. Number of estimated sales. You can filter by price as well. You can filter by the number of review stars, and here you can filter by the number of reviews. You can even save filters, which is a pretty handy feature, and this is where you click to search. So now let's do a quick search, guys, to find some great niches that are trending right now. I'm gonna have marketplace as US, leave this as t-shirts, dates published. What I want to do is I'm going to do published after the 16th of February, so in the last 2 weeks, set date. And for BSR range, I want to do 0 to 200k, something like this, and we'll leave the rest of the filters as is, and then click on search. As you can see, we find lots of designs related to whatever is going on here. I'm not going to mention what it is, just to stay compliant with YouTube, as you know. But one thing I want to mention, guys, don't do any of these designs because they're related to human tragedy, which is definitely not allowed by Amazon. So be careful, guys. From here, guys, we can see what's selling right now. Lots of these kind of designs. Wow, that's crazy. What happened to St. Patrick's Day? And typically from here, guys, what we want to do is we want to check the designs that we like, the designs that are low in BSR, the designs that we think are not copyrighted, the designs that we know that we can do a better design of, and then go ahead and check them out on Amazon and see how much competition there is and if the entire niche or the entire sub niche is worth entering. For now, I'm not going to check any of these Ukraine designs because I'm not intending to enter this niche, but we're probably going to check something to do with St. Patrick's Day. Let's check this one right here. What I do like as well, guys, is as you hover over the design, you'll be able to see the BSR movement. As you can see, it's gone up, then down, and a bunch of other information such as the title, when it was last updated, the BSR movements by percentage, and the price, has it gone up and down, and by how much. Pretty good. And right here you can see the BSR in the last 30 days, how many reviews, if there are any reviews, what's the average star rating, estimated sales, and estimated revenue. You can favorite this design right here, and you can even group your favorites, which is a handy feature. So let's favorite this design so we can save it. We can choose to open it on Amazon or open details page. And in the details page, we get so much more information, guys. We get the ASIN, obviously we can view on Amazon. We've already saved it to favorites. We get both bullet points, the date when it was first published, which is very handy, the brand, unknown. Wow, they're dominating, man. The title, you get your BSR movements right here, over 30 days, 90 days, and 1 year. You get all the keywords, focus keywords, long tail keywords. This is very handy in a feature that I'm going to show you in a bit. And then you've got similar designs as well. Now, what I want to do, guys, is I want to open this design in their on-site search. so that we can see what we're playing with here. Is the niche worth entering? Does it have high competition or low competition? Does it sell well or not? That's what we're about to find out, guys. I'm going to copy this title right here, not the whole thing, but maybe from here up to here, and then I'm gonna plug it into the on-site search, which is this feature right here. Guys, what's good as well, as you copy any keyword or you type a keyword, it starts giving you suggestions with keywords after and keywords before. For now, I'm gonna leave it as USA, product type t-shirt, and featured. They also give you the postcode to use. So now we click on search, it will take us to Amazon, and this is where you change the zip code to make it a US zip code. This niche is pretty vague, guys. It is selling, but we'll still have to go deeper, guys. Tie-dye 57k, tie-dye 141k, 121k. I mean, it is an opportunity, but as you guys can see, it's mixed with a lot of other designs from St. Patrick's Day. So yeah, you can enter it by all means, but I want to find something that is a lot more specific. So let's keep looking. Let's check this one right here, guys. Let's click on favorite just so I can save it. You can copy the title and enter it on the on-site search and click on search. There's 401 results, not a bad number of results, and it is selling really well. Now the idea is, guys, we want to keep going deeper until we get more specific in terms of the quotes. So this is a more specific quote, right? Because colon cancer awareness, blue ribbon and rainbow is not very specific, it's still vague. So we could check support squad, colon cancer support squad, blue ribbon, click on search. There's 229. Is it still selling? Yes, selling really well. Let's check this one right here. These are all good niches, guys. Check your colon cancer awareness, search, 110 results, guys. This looks like a brand new niche. Look at this, guys. One of these designs, if it does really well, you'll make so much money with it. And then from here, all you need to do is find out which design you want to make. Is it something that's better than this one or better than this one right here? Choose your keywords carefully, create your listing and upload. And that's what I'm going to show you guys shortly, so bear with me a few moments. So to get the keywords, guys, we click on the detailed page right here. We get all these keywords. Click on copy and we go to the listing processor, click on keyword processor and we paste the keywords right here. And you can do so much keyword processing, guys. You can add space only, one word phrase per line, add commas with space, add commas without space. This is if you're getting a bunch of keywords from different places, right? And you want to process them that way. I'm just showing you this option. We're not necessarily going to use it now because we've already got the keywords from this tool. So I'm going to copy all the keywords and I'm going to put them here in Listing Optimizer. And this is where the magic happens, guys. We paste our keywords, we click on apply keywords. This way we can see all the phrases, and right here we can start creating our listing. So for example, I'm going to create colon cancer awareness blue ribbon, and it crosses out all of the keywords that we've already entered here, either from the words or phrases. This is very, very handy. And I'm going to add rainbow. I'm probably going to add support. Again, it crosses it out. I'm going to choose this option. Probably going to add men, kids. That's it. There you go. There's our title. Now I'll do the same thing with the brand. Maybe tees and outfits. Bullet points 1. This is an amazing colon cancer awareness and support design with a blue ribbon and rainbow. And as you can see, as I'm typing them down, they're getting deleted. Now let's start integrating some other keywords. You can give it to your husband, wife, son, daughter. This is not necessarily how I would write my listing, but I'm just showing you guys the feature at work, how it actually deletes the keywords as you're typing them. So it's really, really handy. And then you would do the same thing for bullet 2 and the same thing for description. I'm not going to go through the whole thing so we don't make this video too long. The next feature that I want to show is favorites. This is where your favorites are saved and you can group them right here based on niches, based on theme, by style, whatever you want. And the next feature I want to show is the archive feature. Let's say we're trying to design now for Father's Day, for example. We want to check what was selling last year in Father's Day, and we want to try and get some inspiration from those designs that were selling really well last year for Father's Day. So in this case, what we would do is we would keep the Marketplace USA, product type t-shirt, period. We go back to last year, 2021. Let's go to the 1st of June and click on set dates. And again, we want to filter by BSR. So we'll do between 0 and 200K, something like this. Price, I don't care about that. and we'll click on search. Now this is pretty handy guys, because we can see what was selling really well last year on the 1st of June. We can get an idea about what we can do this year by incorporating an elements from what was selling last year plus the trends from this year. That way we can come up with the best idea that could potentially sell for Father's Day. And this is what I do guys every single year to make some crazy sales. One thing I want to mention with the archive module is at the moment it goes back to 2020, but they've told me that they're going to start going all the way back to 2016, so look out for that update guys. The next feature I want to discuss is calendar. Pretty handy. You can check what the events are for this year. Let's check St. Patrick's Day. So we click on St. Patrick's Day, comes up with all the designs that are selling well right now for St. Patrick's Day, and you can see where the demand is and try and plan for your designs from there. I've been using many research tools over the last few years, and I have to say this one has one of the largest databases and it's more updated than some of the tools, and I'm enjoying it so far. So if you like what you see, let me show you what their pricing is. It's pretty decently priced, $25 per month or $250 per annum, and that gives you access to the entire tool with no limits. And as you know guys, I'm all about value, so I got you guys a 25% discount if you're interested in getting the tool via my link. I'm going to leave you a link and the code down below in the description, so make sure you check them out there. And they have a 7 days money back guarantee, no questions asked. And also guys, for those of you that don't have a Merch by Amazon account, or if you know someone that doesn't have a Merch by Amazon account and would like one, we've got a Merch by Amazon creation service where we can give you a working Merch by Amazon account already approved with your details. You can get the service down below in the description. I've also got you a crash course for Merch by Amazon, which you can get down below in the description, and also 200 plus niches, which you can download from the description as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like the content, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, hit the notification bell button so that you guys can get the videos as soon as they're released, and I'll see you in the next video.